Booking the perfect spot, your guide to venue reservation. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase that you'll often come across in English: book a venue. Whether for a party, a meeting, or a wedding, understanding this phrase is key to organizing events. Let's get started. Booking a venue means to reserve a specific place for an event or gathering. It's like claiming a spot that's just right for your needs. This phrase is a two-part action. Book implies a reservation, while venue refers to the place you're reserving. You'll need to book a venue for various occasions: personal, weddings, parties, reunions; professional, conferences, meetings, workshops; public events, concerts, festivals, exhibitions. To book a venue, you'll often go through these steps. 1. Research. Find the perfect location. 2. Inquiry. Contact the venue to check availability. 3. Reservation. Provide details, and often, a deposit. 4. Confirmation. Get a written agreement. Plan ahead. Popular venues get booked fast. Budget wisely. Keep in mind the cost. Visit in person. Ensure it meets your expectations. Read the fine print. Understand the cancellation policy. And that's a wrap on how to book a venue. Whether it's for a grand celebration or a corporate event, knowing this phrase will help you secure the perfect place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has made your path to planning events a bit easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful English language tips. See you next time.